Racing just is started. We have driven up, break weak, little start. Hyper Franco, Doña Leonora, medals time rushing up on the outside. A small town lady comes next, then followed her by Valentine Rose. Next on line is Splash Away, New Golden City. La Dolce Vita comes next. Flying Hope, Nueve de Febrero, while Mapagtiis is the early trailer by about 16 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have medals time by about 3 lengths. Doña Leonora in second, and on the outside third comes Small Town Lady. Hyper Franco is running by the railport. Then next on line is Valentine Rose. Through and up comes next, then followed by Flash Away, New Golden City, Flying Hope, La Dolce Vita, Nueve de Febrero, and Mapagtiis. Well, entry number 8, Doña Leonora, now stop running. And on the far turn, we have Hyper Franco by over the head, about to throw the challenge now on the outside is Small Town Lady, now moving up on the outside to take the lead. And as they swing for home, we have Small Town Lady, this time by about 2 lengths. Hyper Franco in second, New Golden City. There was 100 meters of the race. We have Small Town Lady this time by about 5 lengths, and finally Small Town Lady, New Golden City, Flash Away, Through and Up, Mapagtiis, and Flying Hope.
First point kay Senyor I. Ang primero, 10-5-12, 1-3.